Are all foundation repair companies the same? Another great question we get asked is, are all foundation repair companies the same? Mark?
No. At Dalinghaus, we pride ourselves on being transparent, honest to our customers. We deal with competitors that are the exact opposite of us. We use top-rated equipment, galvanized steel. Some people use powder coating. We treat people as people and not numbers. So we have a couple different competitors in the Southern California region and Arizona region that are, I would say, completely polar opposites of us. And we are priding ourselves on just the transparency with all of our articles. We literally give our customers our competition so they can get the 3 different bids like we always talk about. And then they'll see once someone like myself or Brian or any of our team go by your house to take a look at your foundation settlement, that we are night and day from any other company. We explain the process. We give you the elevations of the floor level survey, and we have our prices completely laid out with no hidden costs. So the short answer is no, and we pride ourselves on being very transparent, unlike all of our competitors.
Yeah, and just like what Mark was saying, you can do your own research online too. Check out the Google reviews. You'll see a lot of times that we go out, we'll actually see a lot of houses where we don't even give bids or scope of work because it's not really a foundation issue. It could be just a minor drywall thing or whatever it may be. We're 100% transparent. It's what we really strive to do and give you accurate information, not just throw you a bid to give you a bid.
Yeah.
So thanks for joining us again on another episode of You Ask,
We Answer.